Alright, you ready? Good stick. Good test. Good stick. Good stick. Good stick.
Gotta make her clench onto it good. Oh. Make sure she's got to hold up good. Gotta tell her get it.
Get the stick. Now you want the stick? You gotta have the stick. You gotta have the stick.
There you go. Look at them jaw power.
Now you gotta throw it for her.
I said she's got it. Yeah, she's got it.
That's not a stick, it's a fucking tree.
Smaller than the last one she had.
She's wagging her whole tail.
I know.
She's like, I like it.
She loves it.
Dog presses. You ready?
Go.
Let's see how many I can do. Thank you. Get a hold on it. Good girl.
Oh, damn. Knocked your fucking sunglasses off and everything. Woo! Way to bash her face with a stick. Oh, no. Did you really break your nose?
Hey, it deserves a right.
Let me see.
For my nose.
Let me see. Let me... Stand still, fucker. Oh, that's dramatic.
Oh, no.
Quit playing. Nah, you all right.
It deserves a right, baby. You make fun of my nose.
Oh.
Post that one on YouTube.
I'm gonna fucking post it on Facebook.